Come on, say something. Talk English.
Give me kisses. Circle boy, kisses. Yes, he does.
Say something else. Camera's on you. Say something else. I'm back here. Say something for Daddy. Say something for Daddy. Yeah, get you. Get you. Yes, I will. Was that fun? And do some more? Do some more? Okay, hop back on. Kiss Daddy, kiss. Kiss Daddy, kiss. Oh, thank you. Do you want to say anything else?
Give me kisses.
Give me kisses is?
Give me kisses.
Why?
Give me some kisses.
What do you
Daddy
want?
loves you.
Oh, because Daddy loves you? What else? You got anything else to say? Huh? You have... Anything else to say?
Such a good boy.
You're such a good boy.
He's my pretty bird.
Yep.
He's a pretty bird.
He is a pretty bird.
Such a good boy.
You are a good boy.
Thank you. Kisses. Daddy's boy, give me kisses.
Daddy's boy and give me kisses? Thank you. Give me a kiss then. Give me a kiss.
Daddy's big.
Daddy's baby.
He's just a good boy. Daddy, give me white kisses. Daddy loves you. Loves he does. Yes, this pretty boy, give me kisses. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just a good boy. Daddy loves you.
Daddy does love you.